Hi, I'm Amy from the Baxter-Patrick James Island Library, and I'm going to teach you how to make a vision board today. And just to give you a preview, here's my finished product. So first, we'll talk about what is a vision board. It's an inspirational collage of goals or emotions, things you want to achieve, or items you want to get, or a combination of all of those. Now, another term for this is a mood board, and those are a little bit more decorative and less goal specific, so it may just have like pictures that make you happy. Mine is going to be specifically a vision board, so that is going to have goals and things that I want to do every day or every week, so that every time I look at it, I can have that in my mind all day long. They're used by lots of people. If you've read The Law of Attraction or The Secret, you've probably heard of it. Jack Canfield is a big proponent. It's a big YouTube trend. It's even been on reality shows. So it has a really broad appeal, and one of the reasons is because I think it really works. It helps a lot of people reach what they're trying to do. So why would you want to make a vision board? Well, it can help you focus on your goals and things that you want to achieve and help you clarify what those are. It gives you a tangible touchstone so that it's something you can hold and look at every single day to remind you of what you're working on. It's a great way to recommit to and reevaluate those New Year's resolutions that you made about 6 months ago. And it can help you combat negativity, build courage, and create confidence. So the supplies that you're going to need are some kind of backing. A piece of cardboard works. You could use a cereal box, anything like that. And I painted mine, so a nice happy color. You're going to need some kind of adhesive, glue, tape, whatever you prefer, a pair of scissors. I got this mug of decorative, colorful markers and pens, and then I also got some washi tape. It has unicorns and rainbows on it to make mine a little bit prettier. And then the other thing that you'll need are your images. I chose images of things that I want to work towards and things that I want to remind myself of. So things like being grateful. I printed this off. It's going to remind me to just express gratitude every time I look at this. One thing I want to do is learn how to play the guitar, and I'm super lucky because the library just got some music lessons on RB Digital, so I'm going to use those. But this little guitar that my wife drew for me is something that I can look at, and every day it's going to remind me, hey, I should pick up the guitar and go through some of those lessons today. So I've got several different things that I want to do, and I'm just going to put those on my board to help me think about them. So the process that you want to go through is make your list, and I have a scribbled list right here of different things that I wanted to do or wanted to achieve, and then I went through and collected my pictures. You might cut yours out of magazines, do like I did, print them online. If you can draw, you could draw them. If you can't, you can persuade someone to draw them for you. You can also use things, if you're creating more of a mood board, you can use things that are important to you, like a really great concert that you went to. You could use the ticket stub if you have one of those. Just things that make you feel happy or make you feel the emotions that you want your board to help you express. So the next thing that we're going to do, now that you have all your images gathered, is just lay them out on the board in a pleasing way, because you're going to be looking at this every day. And then once you get them all sorted, you might have to move things around a little bit. And, if you want, you can put as much or as little as you want on your board. If you want it to cover the whole board, that's totally fine. I have mine kind of separated out so that I can look and focus with intention on each one at one time. But this is really a creative exercise, and you can do it however you want to do it and whatever's going to make you think about achieving your goals. So then you're going to glue everything down. You're going to decorate it if you want to, and there's my finished product. don't forget to put it somewhere that you're going to look at it every day. Some people keep it beside their bed. Some people keep it in their office. You can really put it anywhere. If you sit in the same spot and drink your morning cup of coffee every day, that's a great place to put it because it gives you something to focus on and pay attention to during that time. Don't forget to take the time each day to focus on your board and celebrate when you achieve or earn something. So you can bet that when I learn how to play my first song on the guitar, I'm going to celebrate by doing a Zoom call with all my family and making them listen to me play a song. And then be sure to acknowledge when you've accomplished something. You can even note that on your board. And don't be afraid to change your board. If I get into these guitar lessons and I learn that I hate it, then maybe I'll take that off and change it to something else. Be creative, have fun, make it personal, and make it fit your needs. Keep it positive and use it as a reminder for daily action. If you have any questions about creating a vision board, you can always call your local library and we'll be glad to help set you up with some resources. And don't forget to keep tuning in to all of the great digital programming that we have here at CCPL, and we will see you very soon. Thank you.